Imagine this. You have just finished another 10-hour day at your job. You are underpaid. You are overworked. You are just exhausted. And deep down inside, you just have this feeling. Is this it? Is this all my life's going to be? Let me be real with you. You're here watching this video because you're done with the rat race. You just want to make money online. You want time freedom. You want control over your life. And in this part 21 of how to make $100 per day with affiliate marketing as a beginner, I'm going to show you how to get the email swipes to be loaded onto your autoresponder like AWeber or Getresponse, and how to tweak those email swipes with ChatGPT, and how to check for spam words inside those email swipes. And finally, how to test those email swipes before you send through your email broadcast or email automation. Because if your emails aren't landing in inboxes, you're not making money. And understand this famous advice. You're missing 100% of the shots you don't take. And the same thing here. If the emails aren't landing in inboxes, your subscribers aren't going to see your emails. They're not going to click on the subject lines. They're not going to click on the links in the email swipes. And they're not going to see the offers. And no money. Simple as that. So let us get straight to today's topic for the first one, which is where to get these email swipes. And I'm going to show you a source where these email swipes are proven and have made money. So to get these email swipes, you can check out the link in the description box below, which is 16K email swipes. So once you click on the link below, you'll reach this page called 16K swipes. Now here you can see I just paid 16K for these swipes that earned me $2 million. You can have them for peanuts if you're super fast. Now these email swipes have been gathered by the great email marketer Matt Basak. He's one of the top affiliate marketers out there on the planet. And here you can see how it has made him more than $2 million in revenue using these email swipes again and again. And once you scroll down, you can see this price. It is $12.40. And it's dirt cheap, and you can see how it has made difference. Like here, Jeremy Kennedy, who has used Matt Basak's swipes, and he's got better open rates and better click-through rates compared to his own subject lines and body content. So after you buy the 16K email swipes, you will have this zip file. So once you zipped it, you can open this file, and here you can see the 16K swipe and 5421 emails. Basically, it is less than 6,000 emails. And once you double click on this, you can see this email swipes over here, less than 6,000 email swipes over here. And here you can see this video where he has shown how to edit it for any niche. You can watch this and you can make the changes. And once you go over here, you can see this email swipes, and there are more email swipes over here. And I'm just going to choose any one of those, and I'm going to show you how to change this with ChatGPT. So I'm just opening one of these email swipes. So I've opened it. So you can see this affiliate marketing has been made simple. This is the subject and this is the body content. Now you just need to tweak this a little bit using ChatGPT. Now what you need to do is that you can just copy this whole email and go to ChatGPT, and you can just rewrite this email swipe for solo ads. So you can just paste it over here. After that, you can change the links over here. So over here, you can see ChatGPT has got a direct, concise, and it's going to be to the point, which is very important, and it should be short, which is very, very important for affiliate marketing using solo ads. So still waiting on your first affiliate sale? Hey, be honest, have you made your first affiliate sale yet, or are you still waiting? If things aren't working out, it's time you meet the real pros of affiliate marketing. Watch how they do it. So it's a clear call to action with the emoji, which will make sure that these grab at the attention of the subscriber. These guys are the real deal. They have helped countless beginners go from $0 to 6 figures online, and now they are showing exactly how you can do it too in a free video. No hype, just results. Watch it here. To your success, Matt Basak. Now you can change your Matt Basak to your name. So this is how you use ChatGPT to change the email swipes. Now similarly, another email swipe, you can see here a secret underground method. So recently David discovered a secret underground method of building his list. This is far more profitable, engaging, and successful than anything I have seen in a long time. In fact, it's the exact opposite of what everyone else is doing out there. He's been able to build a list of over 45,000 subs in just a little over 4 months using this method right here. So this is also a very good targeted, direct, concise email swipe. You can just use this and just rewrite this with help of ChatGPT. So this is how you change the email swipes in the 16K email swipes from Matt Basak using ChatGPT, and you can use those email swipes in your email automations and email broadcast in AWeber or Getresponse. Now the next thing, which is how to check the email swipes for spammy words. You need to be careful as a beginner. If you start using AWeber or Getresponse, you need to be careful with the email sending platform, because you are new and you need to have your email swipes not too much misleading and too much of your spam words. And you can always use this free tool, which is called auto close, to check the spamminess of your email swipes. So this is the website which is called auto close. It's a free software. You can check the email spamminess. You can go to the resources and click on this auto close email spam checker, and you will reach this here. And once you scroll down, you can just enter the subject and text, and it will automatically say which are the words that need to be replaced. So for example, I'm just going to copy the email swipe from ChatGPT. Now here you can see it is clearly highlighting the words that are spammy, like sale, marketing, deal, now, free. So you need to change these words which has been marked as spam word. Now it's very difficult to change all the words, but you try to make sure that you have less number of spam words in your email swipes when you are starting out with AWeber or Getresponse. For example, you can just change this affiliate sale to affiliate income, or you can change it to affiliate moolah, something like that. Affiliate marketing, maybe you can remove affiliate marketing and try it as business, which is perfectly fine. And these guys are the real deal, so you can remove this real deal to real pros, something like that. So you can see that the spamminess is unmarked, and now instead of now, you can just remove those words now, and they are showing exactly how to you can do it too in a free video. Maybe this is going to be okay. And if you still want, you can always find alternate words using ChatGPT and replace those words. So this is going to be fine, and you can just copy this email swipe, something like cheers Manu. I am just going to give it as like this, and you can just use this. So this is how you check the email swipes and subjects for spamminess using the free software called auto close. Now finally, we are going to check the email swipes by sending it to a test tool. Now this test tool is free, and I'm going to show you how to do that now. So the name of the tool is called mail-tester.com. Now it's a free tool. Now what you need to do is that test the spamminess of your emails. First, send your email to this email address. Then you can click on this check your score. What you need to do is that before sending any email broadcast or email automations, you can check every email swipe with this tool. Copy this email address. You can go to your AWeber account. So I'm just going to send an email. So I'm just going to send an email to that particular email address. So I'm just going to copy the ChatGPT email which I have created now. Go back over here and just copy this and come over here, and under AWeber you can just change this. Click on done, and again go back to auto close and just copy this and go back over here and just change it. So make sure that you have the proper spacing and make sure that these are 18, and I'm just going to enter it as www.google.com. It's perfectly fine. You can click on save and exit, and I'm just going to send it to the email address. So over here you can click on this send a test. So enter the email address, copy this email address and enter it over here and click on send test message. So it is saying your test message is on its way. Now go back to your mail-tester.com. Now you can click on check your score, and now here you can see, wow, perfect. You can send. The score is 10 out of 10, which is very good. So once you scroll down, you can see this, right? Subject still waiting on your first affiliate sale. Click here to view your message. Now when it is green tick, it is perfect. And here spam assassin likes you. You are not fully authenticated. Your message is safe and well formatted. You are not blocklisted. No broken links. Now when you click here, You can see this, the email address, and spam assassin likes you. So a score below 5 is considered spam, and your score is 7.6, which is perfect. And next, you are not fully authenticated. Checking if the server, we checked if the servers you are sending from is authenticated. Your message failed the DMARC verification. Now I have to check why this has failed. And your message is safe and well formatted. You can see the message contains 76% of text, which is perfect. And normally we should all aim for text messages. And you're not blocklisted. Now you can see this email address is not listed in any of this blocklist. And it's perfect, and no broken links. Now you should always have that your affiliate link doesn't have any broken links, so that is also perfect. So that's why it is showing the score as 10 out of 10. So this is how you check your email before sending out to your subscribers, either via automation or broadcast. This is a free tool. You can always use this to check your email swipes. Now, if you found this really helpful, and if you want to implement step by step all the strategies that I'm teaching you on this free tutorial, then please make sure that you hit the subscribe button and also hit the bell icon so that you get the very first notification whenever I upload my videos. Now, if you're someone who is serious about quitting your 9-to-5 job and want to take control of your life and want to have your time freedom and really want to get out of the rat race, then I'm going to show you a program that is going to help you quit your 9-to-5 job and build a real passive income online. And that program is called Passive Income Profits from my own mentor, Ben from Singapore. Now, when you click on the link in the description box below, my top recommended mentorship program, you will reach this page called Welcome to Passive Income Profits, time-tested proven strategies to start earning money online. Now, under this, you have 3 levels of mentorship program: the Beginners Club, Start Club, and the Inner Circle. Now, in the Beginners Club, it is $97 USD one time. Now, here you get more than 100 videos on 4 different strategies, which are email marketing, social media marketing, paid ads training, and course creation training. Now, this is all about trying to do it on your own, and you can watch the videos and you can try it on your own. Now, what else do you get? You get lifetime Facebook group support, and you have this Facebook group support where he will answer all your questions in less than 24 hours. And normally he answers less than 2 hours. And also you get in-house affiliate program to earn from all 3 levels of his mentorship program, and you will get around 30% commissions. Once you click on this check curriculum, you will see the introduction. How does the in-house compensation work? Affiliate marketing, email marketing, custom domain, funnel, Getresponse, CP offers, traffic, social media marketing, paid ads, success secrets, all about Google Ads, GTM, Microsoft advertising, course creation, success secrets. So there are more than 100 videos where you can watch and take action on this. Now, the second program is called Start Club, which is $2997 one time. Now, what is the Start Club all about? Now, Start Club is for those person who are more in the intermediate and advanced stages, where they want top strategies, secret strategies, and up-to-date strategies on how to improve their email marketing and social media marketing. So what you get in this, you get 8 times weekly one-on-one Zoom session with a mentor, Ben himself, and it's going to be a minimum of 60 minutes each, and you will get access to his personal Facebook Messenger, and where he will answer your questions one-on-one in less than 12 hours. So here he will discuss the strategies to scale your email marketing business, and also how to build and optimize your buyers list for the maximum sales, and also advanced email marketing strategies, and also how to create multiple sources of income using the same email list. And finally, you get in-house affiliate commissions of 40% on all the 3 programs. And finally, Inner Circle. Now, Inner Circle is $6997 one time. Now, this is for the person who are complete beginners, who want hands-on help to begin their affiliate marketing journey, who want to make passive income online. Then this is for those kind of person. And it's going to be more of a done with you service, where you will be doing and the mentor will be guiding you along this journey. And the most important thing is that you get everything in the Beginners Club, Start Club, and one of the never seen offers, which is that you can work with him directly until you achieve a minimum of $5,000 USD in profit for consecutively 3 months. Now, this is the kind of guarantee that no other marketer on this planet gives you. And what else do you get? You get one-on-one weekly Zoom sessions, minimum of 60 minutes, and tailor-made action plan for you, and what are the strategies that are currently working, what are the offers that are currently working, and you will get all your questions answered in less than 6 hours. And also you get 90% done for your systems, and you get 50% affiliate commissions on all the 3 levels of this mentorship program, and 2-tier commission rates, and team bonus of $5,000. Now, there is a catch over here. Now, before enrolling into the Star Club or the Inner Circle program, first you need to book a Zoom session. Now, how do you do that? When you click on this check curriculum button over here, it will take you over here where you can book a Zoom session before you enroll. Now, this is complimentary and it's completely free. This one-on-one complimentary Zoom session is to understand your goals, your commitments, your budget, because the mentor wants to know what you want to achieve through this program and whether he can really help you in succeeding with your goals. Because without either one of these, either it's going to be budget or the time commitment or your goals, he's not going to help you, and he's definitely going to reject you out of this program. So that's why you have to have this one-on-one Zoom session to have the clarity, and it's also perfectly for you because you need to have an informed decision before joining this program. So if you're really interested, then book a Zoom session and have a serious conversation with the mentor, and from there you can decide whether you want to join this program or not. And I would sincerely recommend you to go for the Inner Circle, where the success rate is more than 82%. In the next video, I'm going to show you a free tool that is going to help you get the health report of your entire email address and domain. It's like getting the health report of yourself from the doctor, right? It's going to give you the health report of your domain. Either it's going to be the IP reputation or the domain reputation. And I'm going to show you how to exactly set up this system. So please stay tuned for the next video. So see you until then. Bye.